I guess we'll go to the only other planet. Search the laboratories.
Yes.
And if my memory serves right for what I've had in this game, there's going to be an upgrade we're really going to want here.
Why?
It's going to be one of those that, as soon as you see it, it'll be yes, yes. We may want to farm for it, yes. Oh god, yes.
Is that like the one gun, the BF?
No. Oh yeah, I'm forced to be Clank because it's too toxic.
Oh, okay. What does Clank have any specific? Like, can you make purchases for Clank then too?
Nope.
Or is it all?
Well,
purchases?
maybe the upgrades that are story driven. No. Damn it. I'm so used to circle being back, not triangle. Right?
I don't know. Wait.
I'm just trying. I guess I only can go that way.
Okay. What's back there?
I don't know, but
I guess
it looks like just boxes.
That's right. We need the bolts. What's the most bolts you can get? 999999999.
Probably.
Are you sure, or is there maybe one more 9 in there? Did you know? I saw a poster for Kingdom Hearts 2.5 or whatever.
I'm so excited
Yeah.
to finally play Birth by Sleep.
You haven't played it?
No,
Oh.
it was a PSP exclusive.
I thought you had a PSP.
I do, but I never found that game after I got it. Oh, I can't go that way.
Stupid little bug. Oh, it's a toad. Oh.
Wow, he splatted hard.
Yeah. Who's that? Oh, it's one of your little buddies.
Clank, but you can use your enter command to send them into the box.
How many little bots can you get? Follow you. I don't remember. Oh, they're in attack mode? I like how their attack mode did nothing.
Yeah, they're not programmed to register cliffs, really.
So how do they go where you want them to? Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I want to know why these portals are in this place to begin with.
Yeah, especially with how specifically small you would have to be to really make use of these.
Yeah. Oh, watch out for the poison gas. Oh, there's that thing. They can attack it?
I guess?
So why wouldn't it attack them, but it sees you and it's gung-ho about slapping your little metal face? Oh, they can't follow you up there. So you gotta fly up to that ledge.
Oh, or go into that thing from Star Wars with acid, with lava acid.
Oh.
Even though I swore I was going to glide sooner than that.
Yeah. Now you gotta start all over again. Are you sure you don't want me to get you past this part? Or who was I being? I don't care that I died like 15 times. Okay, get that.
Come over here, punch that guy.
I feel bad. What if those frogs are just trying to talk and you're just splatting?
Yeah, because they're talking sure looks like biting.
You never know, though. It doesn't know to go into the portal. You have to tell it to. Wait, what?
I can use it too, apparently.
But what? Enter. I was more confused because I didn't see him use it, and then I didn't know he was up there already. Attack. Oh. Eugene. You have 3. Oh, it requires 3 of them?
Yep.
So you use them as sacrifices.
Yep.
Aww. Poor little robots. So I'm guessing once you put them in there, you don't get them back?
Exactly.
Oh, there's another one of those weird insect things that slap you. Yay!
All you are is short, stubby with legs.
Yeah. I thought maybe they might use their. Oh, you need 6 apparently.
That's a pretty small army, actually.
Oh, there's one. Is there another one?
Yep, there's one.
What about those ones that are really far away? But they're there. There's another. Oh, they're both.
Oh, there's stairs. Yeah, I'm gonna go kill that one guy.
Before you put them in.
Yeah.
What do you think behind their golden bolt or something?
Probably not a golden bolt, but something I may be able to use. Or he's just there.
Kill him.
Fuck him up.
There has to be something.
Absolutely nothing. He's just there.
Aww.
And that one's set to wait.
That's really sad.
Yeah.
I wanted there to be something. Enter.
Enter.
No.
Hey, look, they give me one right away.
Oh, that's nice.
And another one right away.
That's nice. Now you need 37 to get to the next place.
And I can't do anything with them because that door's closed.
Oh. Open the door. Hello. That's nice. And there's another one. Oh, you need a bomb up there. So
Wait.
oh, I see they wait on
It's
there.
switch puzzles. Isn't that great?
Can you have one come over? Or, oh, I see. Oh. Yeah. Okay.
Are RTSs this tedious?
Real-time strategy?
Because this is kind of like a very miniaturized RTS.
Marines. Boop, boop, boop. Follow. Enter. Those things remind me of you've seen the movie The Iron Giant.
Yeah.
That's what this kind of reminds me of, just smaller.
Hey, look. Boop, boop, boop.
What's back there? Nothing.
I'm small enough.
No, you're not. You are not small enough, damn it.
Okay, so this room just exists, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look.
Boots!
You know what that means?
Now we go back to the one planet and use them.
I was gonna say we gotta go find Dora.
The Explorer?
Yeah.
Oh, we unlocked a trophy.
It looks like I can keep going.
What? Why did you touch it and then run off it?
So it's triggered so that we come back and write it up.
Oh. Wouldn't it be down there automatically?
I think we have to trigger it just to be safe.
Oh.
Oh dear God.
It's a minefield.
I'm betting I have to get every single one of these through.
Without it dying?
Yeah.
I didn't know they could die.
Yeah. Stuff fights back.
Right. I just didn't know that. I thought they just were immortal or whatever.
Yeah, just think how bad that would be. Like, God makes us, and we're immortal, but He isn't.
Yeah. That would be weird. Oh,
They're so squeaky.
yeah, I know. Oh, they can't go over the edges. So you gotta get them through the fire now?
Yep.
Uh-oh. Run! It's a level puzzle.
And one of them stay behind.
Really? Why? Run! Does it at least know the path to take?
I don't think so.
Well, that's okay. Just as long as it doesn't die. I guess you can tell them to wait there and go get it.
I lost another one.
He's just right there.
Okay. I'm gonna be so pissed when I tell this one to follow me. He run, all of them come back.
Yeah. Where is he? Oh, he's right there. He's an idiot. Oh, okay, he's still on fire.
Good, the commands are not global range.
Yeah. Oh, is he stuck on the wall? No.
Come on, my little peepers.
Yay! Oh, where did he go? Under the wall. Oh, it comes over.
I think they're on a preset path.
Whee! Now you gotta tell that one to follow you.
This is so action-packed, isn't it?
Yes. And now they all fall. Wait, one stayed. Yay!
Now we got all 5 and wait till I have to run all the way back to get 1.
You probably will. I'm gonna laugh too. Can I laugh at you when you need 6?
God damn it.
Woo! Oh, where'd the other ones go? Oh, of course.
Screw it, I have to go all the way back anyway, so...
They're, all of a sudden, you come back and they're dead. You don't know where they are. Of course that's what would happen.
Okay, where's this 6th one I'm missing?
I think he was on the other side of the bomb. Yeah, this is it. Nope, I guess not.
He's not in the middle.
Maybe he's back here behind the bombs or something. Nope. Maybe he's inside the bombs. Or something.
Ow. Not in that bomb.
Maybe he's to the right?
Yep, there he is.
Ha ha ha! Woo! Go inside the acid mouth.
Yeah, I just realized.
What?
How fucked up is this planet given that some random pit grew teeth and can withstand lava?
Yeah. What the?
God damn. Oh my god.
So it just makes...
I know I'm faster than it, but it is so stupid.
Yeah. It touches a corner. I will wait.
I shall hold.
You're so dumb. Whee!
At least this isn't too hard.
Yeah. That's true. Now watch. I'm waiting for those other 3 to not be there. Or those other 2 to not be there.
I have to run all the way back to get them, too.
Yep. Would you be depressed?
I'll be pissed.
Follow. Okay, guys, now get stuck on the wall.
The invisible wall that doesn't affect me at all.
Yep.
Or me.
Oh, look, another one. Who put them in those little containers? Oh, there's another one.
There's quite a few.
I'm just confused on their attacking.
Oh my god. Hey, checkpoint.
That's stupid. Stupid frogs. Where is that thing spitting out frogs? Or something? Or there's just a lot of the frogs?
I think there's just a lot of the frogs.
Aww.
One of them went behind and started attacking everything behind it.
Wait, did it come back to life?
Yeah. The pies where you find it respawns them if they die.
Yay.
I have to get 10? Damn it! 10 of these guys following you is quite a formidable force.
Yeah. Whee. Why? What was back that way? 10? The 10 marker?
Yeah.
Alright.
Come on, my comrades.
Yeah. Oh, you lost some. Oh, there's one right next to you. Oh, there's another one. Is that all 10?
That should be all 10, because this area is pretty small for giving me 10.
Yeah. I don't.
And watch somehow half of them get stuck.
Yeah, and they won't move. No, you get all 9 down there, and one gets stuck, and it won't move. Enter. What the heck is shooting the door? Oh,
A turret.
why did it just destroy the wall?
Reasons? I guess.
And that's there?
Yep.
Okay. He's so happy.
Better not let Ratchet see this one.
It's my robot porn.
Wait, why wouldn't you let Ratchet see it?
It's his robot porn.
I didn't think robots had such a thing. Oh,
Well, given that apparently robots have concept of life and murder,
yeah.
why not? Right?
I guess. There he goes. Huh, the boots.
Hey! You giving me these or not?
They are magnetic. I appear to be stuck to them.
Oh,
How did it go make him go flying?
By separating?
Oh.
Gears, metal filings, dust.
you know what I mean. What is it?
I will show you this, but you must promise to stay focused on our mission.
Is it something about Quark?
Cities are full of smog, swamps are full of muck, and tar pits are full of tar. But here at Joe I Resort, the sun shines 24 hours a day. Visitors get a free O2 mask to explore our warm waters. The benign marine life will welcome you to the big blue world under the sea. You can also use our complimentary flippers to partake in speed swimming. So come to Joe I Resort and leave your world and your troubles behind.
I like how that person in the back was being chased by the fish.
It's like, in our benign sea life.
Come on, switch off your nerd circuits and have some fun. Look, we'll go just long enough to pick up the O2 mask.
Oh,
Perhaps the extra oxygen will help your brain to function properly.
Oh.
Yeah, and maybe the salt water will rust your mouth shut.